What is a trading strategy? Basics for beginners.
Welcome back to Wise Strategies, your gateway to profitable trading. In this video, we will cover the fundamentals of trading strategies to help you better understand this exciting world. So, what exactly is a trading strategy? A trading strategy is a set of rules and techniques that traders use to make informed decisions about buying and selling assets in the financial markets. It provides a structured approach to navigate the complexities of trading and increase the chances of success. The first step in developing a trading strategy is to define your objectives. Are you looking to make short-term profits or invest for the long run? Understanding your goals will guide your trading decisions and risk tolerance. Next, you need to analyze the markets. This involves gathering information about various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, to identify potential opportunities. Technical analysis and fundamental analysis are two common methods used to assess market trends and value assets. Risk management is a crucial aspect of any trading strategy. Setting stop-loss orders and determining the amount of capital to allocate per trade will help protect your investments and limit potential losses. Remember, risk management is key to long-term success. Executing trades is the next step. Here, you need to choose the right platform or broker that aligns with your strategy, offers competitive fees, and provides the necessary tools for analysis. Timing and order types, such as market orders or limit orders, also play a role in executing trades effectively. Keep in mind that trading requires discipline and emotional control. It's essential to stick to your strategy and avoid impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations or emotions. Maintaining a trading journal can also help you track your progress and learn from both successful and unsuccessful trades. In summary, a trading strategy is a structured approach to buying and selling assets, based on defined objectives, market analysis, risk management, and execution. By mastering the basics of trading strategies, you will be better equipped to navigate the financial markets and achieve your trading goals. Thanks for watching this video on Trading Strategy 101. A beginner's guide to mastering the basics. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies. Happy trading!